Hello, my name is Jaws. Welcome to Thing Creations, where I'll be creating things, objects, contraptions, whatever you'd like to call them, that you viewers suggest in the comments below. But seeing as this is my first episode / video, I gotta come up with my own theme. So the theme I chose was YouTube. Now, many YouTubers work hard and strive for recognition and for certain things like the diamond play button. Now, seeing as I have 0 subscribers and 0 views, I decided the fastest way for me to get a diamond play button was to create it myself. So my diamond play button is going to be out of this piece of stainless steel, where I already drew on where I'm going to be cutting and re-welding it back together to get the shape I'd like. Now, my play button isn't going to be just like one shiny play button like all the rest of them are. Mine's going to do something special. To see what it's going to do, keep watching the video. For now, let's head out to the shop and let's get to work. Alright everybody, this is what you've been waiting for. The diamond play button. It only took me a week, maybe 20 to 30 hours to create. So it all depends on if you want to put that much effort into making it. I'm not looking to show a how-to video, more so to show you a cool thing at the end. Now, it slices, it dices, it turns ham into bacon. It is the stainless steel diamond play button. And to be honest, all it really does is lights up. Got a little switch on the side. Got a piece of plexiglass so it lights up all right at the edges. Let's turn off the lights so you can see it a little better. Now, I might have lied a little bit about it not being just a normal play button that stands around and look pretty, but lighting up does look cool. There is one other thing it does. Now, if you enjoyed watching the video and enjoyed the creation and you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe below, and I will continue to work on my next project. Please comment below, let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll try to get it created for you. Thanks, and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.